Today I'll talk about two AI tools I learned how to use. So I just wanted to share with you. So first of all, it's gamma.app. This tool is a pretty good for presentation creation. So all you basically have to do is write a prompt, just write a sentence, specify what you want, or you don't even have to specify, and it's gonna create like a presentation for you. And you can also import existing presentations. You can edit all kinds of things there. You can have different types and all kinds of things. For example, this presentation was made by this tool by Gamma in like 1 or 2 minutes, basically from one prompt I wrote. I wrote like a sentence on what I want to do. This is really really good. And for example, there's also a really good things you can change here fast as well. For example, if you press on agent here, as you can see, I can press original. It's like this, and if I press modified, it's in completely different language, and it changed the language of the whole presentation in seconds. It was less than a minute, and then in the panel you can adjust a lot of different things. So this is a really interesting tool. I didn't know you can do this. You can create presentations so fast, and you can edit so many things there, especially if you pay for it like 20 euros or $20 per month. But that's for like a kind of professionals, or if you need to make presentations like every day or often. And it's not only presentations. You can do a lot of other things with the gamma, but this is really cool. It's more like a visual tool. It's not like a ChatGPT text based, more which is more text based tool, but this is more visual and graphs and all kinds of things you can add here. So this was the first tool. You can test it out if you want. Just go to gamma.app and log in with your Google account or whichever account you want. And the other tool is the Notebook LM, which is notebooklm.google.com. And this tool is pretty good if you want like specific information. So if you compare it with ChatGPT, if you ask something to ChatGPT, it's gonna take the general knowledge, it's gonna take information from internet. But here you can add a lot of things in this left panel here. You can add PDF files, you can add specific Wikipedia links, you can add like YouTube video links, all kinds of things. You can add pictures, and then um, it's gonna create like whatever you ask it to create. For example, it can even create podcasts. It can like talk with itself, like two different people, and they're gonna talk about the topic you have entered here, like for example the history of Latvia or whatever you want. And there are a lot of other things. You can make quizzes, you can make flashcards. So for example, if you upload like a PDF file or whatever you want, which contains, for example, languages like 100 words in Latvian language and their explanations in English, and then you can just press flashcards and then use it as basically Duolingo application. And there's a lot of things. You can import audio files. It can extract text from audio files, and this is many things that we got shown today was with the paid version, which is like 20 or 30 bucks per month. But there's also some things you can do without paying anything, or at least you can try. So I suggest you try these two different tools if you have any kind of need for them. But I didn't know a lot of things that these tools could do. And we're gonna learn about, as I mentioned in previous video, we're gonna learn about like a lot of like 30 different things, 30 different AI tools in the following month or two. So if you're interested in these videos, I am willing to upload them as well. because yeah, these courses are paid by EU, and we are just learning them to stay on the like curve on the learning path. So yeah, I hope you like this, and sorry for the background noise, but I hope you like these kind of videos also, not only for IT stuff but for AI as well.